I'm extremely happy to be here. I've been here since morning yesterday when inauguration took place. They have chosen a very nice venue. It's very excellent accommodation. They accommodated 1,500 people almost, and 1,257 only student registrations. I think it is something very great. And that too, I suppose within 2-3 hours they got so many registrations, and the event went off very well. They were very good speakers. They came from all over the world. I met some of them who came from London, who came from somewhere else, and all that. It's a very good event. And today we was a closing event almost with a valedictory function with a prize distribution, and the boys who worked voluntarily are really thrilled, and there's a wonderful experience for them also. I really appreciate one and all and their hard work and their excellent presentation all along. Thank you very much.